Now, it's a good Caribbean. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Like every time I say my intro now, it reminds me of Peanut. Like I am back on YouTube. So to like the 5 people who was watching me consistently back in 2019, we back with it. Like we're here. So like we just back on YouTube. I took a break because I just wasn't feeling supported. So I was just like, let me take a break. Let's build the confidence. Let's find ourselves, and then we could come back. It's been 3 years, and I think I found myself. I think I'm more confident. Like the Instagram girlies, they love me over there. I talk my shit on Instagram, and I think I found my tribe on Instagram. Like my tribe really fucks with me, So hopefully the Instagram girlies support me on YouTube. Now that I just get it out my system, the purpose of this video is to do like a week. This man keep walking back and forth this office. The purpose of this video is to do a week in my life. Now usually I would have a very boring life. Like my life is just work out probably once a month with my best friend, and that's it. But this week, hey, is very eventful. Like tomorrow I have a job with Royale. If you don't know what's Royale, we're a group of talented models. We do hostings, we do servings, we greet, we do bottle service, we do promotional modeling, catwalks, we enhance events. Like that's us, Last week I had an event. It was so fun. Like we love Royale. Follow us on Instagram. Yeah, you know the vibe. So tomorrow I have an event. Really not sure what's happening. We haven't got any briefing for the event. I don't know how I'm supposed to do my hair. I don't know what we're wearing. I don't know nothing. Just know that we have an event tomorrow. Cool. Then on Thursday I have a hair appointment. I have a nail appointment, and my best friend is graduating college. No, because of COVID, we can't, go to the ceremony. So me and my boyfriend, putting together some gifts for her because, proud of our girly per. And then on Friday, it's a holiday in Tortola. I'm not sure how my scheduling is working because normally for my job we only work half days, and it's only me. It's normally me and the other lady, but the other lady's on vacation, so it's only me today. I mean me for the rest of the week. So I don't know if I am half day on Friday or if we working the whole day. I don't know yet. I have to ask. But if we are working half day, we probably gonna go to the beach or something, and then in the night we going out to celebrate my friend's graduation. I just know it's an eventful week, like a normal week in my life would not be so eventful. Like I just work and do stuff for my small business. Bitch, some of them gonna be here too because I have some orders to do for graduation. So this gonna be a whole shebang. Alright, so it's the next day. We got our briefing for the job today last night. So basically we have to have our hair pulled back and we have to have like a neutral face, which is expected. Like that's all we to do. She's providing us with the clothes, so I guess she will contact us soon to collect. And that's basically about it. Everything else we should have, or we should know already. The event is at 6:30 on the Pear Park. I work about 2 minutes away from the Pear Park, so I'm gonna end up getting ready at work because I'm not gonna have enough time to go home and come back. So I'm gonna end up doing my hair at work, doing my makeup at work. I have all that I need already at my office. So and my outfit, like my cubicle is in the back, so like nobody can really see me, This event, bridal event, I've never really heard about it, but it's a well advertised event, so I feel like it's gonna have like a big crowd or a well enough crowd. They had a casting for some models last week, so I feel like it's gonna be a good event. So hopefully I could get some footage for this vlog so you guys can see a little behind the scenes. If not, I'm gonna include like snaps and stuff because Yeah, you're really supposed to be on your phone when you're working, to be honest, but we're gonna see what we get to do. I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the love for a favor. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you, but baby. It's 5 o'clock. Why are people calling this one at 5 o'clock? I'm not answering. We're closed. Anyways, child, it's a good thing I answer. Like, that was a good phone call. But anyways, I have a habit of adding beauty marks, and what I've been doing is like putting them on my acne, like this one right here. Right, I have one right above my eyebrow right here. And this one over here. So yeah, they don't really look like acne now. They look like beauty marks. And that's it for my face. It's so cute. Like, okay, so right now we here. Like me here because nobody else is here. The girls are outside. I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, tell me what to do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. Alright, now it's the next day. I have my hair appointment today. I have my nails appointment today. My nail appointment is first at 9:30. Right now it's about 9:06, 9:07 the last time I checked. So we actually outside the salon. I might just go inside and, you know, relax because if I early, you know, like hopefully because I early they could start me early, but I literally going to the same hair lady, like all of them in the same salon, so and really like I have to go anywhere. Like I can be here for most of the day. But I washed out my hair from last night. I don't really know if it washed out good though, but it ain't got that much gel in it, and it's soft because I use Tresemme. A scrub is a guy that thinks he's flying this, also known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants and just sits on his broken soul. No, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. Don't want none of your time, and no, I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend. Okay, so my nails are finished. This is how they look. I can insert a picture. Cute, right? It's now 12 o'clock. My hair appointment is in the same building and everything, but it's at 1:30. So I'm gonna go and come back because right now my period is kicking my ass. I'm gonna look for something to eat. Probably take some pills, you know. Get back together. I drink about 2 cups of tea inside there. I think that helped me a lot. Chamomile tea. So right now we're going to try to get something to eat and then come back up here for 1:30. So I went on the road. I ended up not buying nothing to eat, but I started my hair, obviously. But we in the store now. Let me show you. Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say how. Girls can't never say they need it. So gorgeous. I can't wait for all her workers to actually come in because she's waiting for some workers to come. Like, it's just a nice vibe. I get tea. It's later on in the afternoon, so I could probably get some wine. Like, we love it here. And plus I can get my nails and my hair done in the same place. Like, I love it here. Check the hat. Check the bun. I talk to the people, not you. Like, it's cute. It's cute. It's neat. It's nice. I love it. 10 out of 10. finally, this is my last appointment for the day. And I didn't really tell anybody I was doing this, but I get a tattoo. Alright, so it's literally been like 20 minutes and I'm literally out. Everything to do. You can see it. I don't know. It ain't like nothing like meaningful like my first tattoo, but it's just something I always wanted. Like I always wanted something behind my ears. So and you feel like I intentionally did the heart on this side. So it could be like That's all for today. I'm exhausted. I'm ready to go home and sleep, honestly. But I probably might link up with my friend because I have some of her graduation gifts to give to her, and then tomorrow we back again with you. Alright. So it's the next day. Bad manners. Okay, so it's the next day. We finally up out of our bed. I have like actually been up way earlier because I went to work this morning. I work half day. It's about 4 o'clock now because I came home and I took on that kind of stuff. But me and my friend, we have matching tumblers. So we're actually going outside with these tonight. So we're going to have bare alcohol, 20 ounces of alcohol tonight. They asked me where my cup is from, you know. I going out with my cousin tonight. So I got to pick him up. And then I got to pick my friend up. And then we outside. So we're going to... This is a glue party with Vibe and Sha. Our headache. But yeah, I'm really excited for tonight. Like my period pain was killing me last night and this morning, but right now it's cool. So before I leave, I'm obviously gonna take some like pain medication. Oh, you could take pain medication and drink. I don't know. It should be fine. Either way, still drinking, still going out, still having fun with my girl. Everybody going out tonight. Me, my boyfriend, my friend, and her boyfriend, and then my cousin. But he ain't really gonna be third wheeling per se, because I think he's gonna be linking up with his friends. I'm not sure. I just going to see how tonight run. I just know we outside the pub. When I start getting, I don't think I can get ready on this vlog because I don't see me basically do my makeup already, like for the other job. So I think I can just get ready and then come back. So that's about 9 to see you in the next clip. Oh my god, it's hot. Okay, so hey, I'm back. I was gonna fight for him because the AC is really loud because it's really hot. But today's Sunday. I didn't vlog any at all on the Friday because we were having so much fun. The gang was outside. We was late. Like I didn't vlog. I didn't remember to vlog. Honestly, I ain't even gonna lie to you. Like, but I had so much fun. My friend had fun. Everybody had fun. So that's all that matters. Saturday I ended up working all day, so it wasn't really much to vlog. And then today's Sunday. I'm not really doing anything today, and I don't think. But I am going to the store now because I'm gonna do some cooking. I know some housework. I tried to do the edit how they was, but you know, fail. But we're back home. I spent $40. $40 on one bag of groceries. Like this is the only part I miss about like being at home, you know, with family or whatever. Like before, I used to just get up out of my bed, reach downstairs, eat food. Don't know where food come from, don't know who cook food, just know that I'm eating food now, right? But now that I'm big and I living on my own, I have to buy the food. I have to cook the food. Let me show you how I spend my $40 on heavy cream. Buy some cheese. I have a lot of cheese in my fridge. I honestly don't know why I buy so much cheese for. Let me show you. Like, I honestly, this one empty. I have a little bit in it. Every time I go to the store, I buy one of these because I do a lot of nachos and a lot of tacos and stuff. So we also have cheese in our house. Then buy a bag of chicken. They used to do like 2 servings of chicken for me and my partner, me and my boyfriend. So we are going to just start buying the bigger bag, but this is only $7, so we just buy this and like cook, and then it lasts us for like 2. I'm sorry. And then I buy coconut milk. I got attempt to make rice and peas like the Jamaican style. My stepmom, she's a Jamaican, and she just cooked damn good. And she probably think I wasn't like looking, like everybody think I wasn't like paying attention, but I used to pay attention when she cooked. So we're gonna attempt to make peas and rice, Jamaican peas and rice. I done start doing the peas, so I feel like it can come out good in my head, good enough to make them proud, you know, because everybody think I'm such a waste girl. Like nobody don't believe me when I say I could cook. Like I could cook, like for real, like I was a chef, you know. But nobody don't believe me, but it's fine because I literally been living on my own since December, and I've been managing since then, you feel me? But, so we're making macaroni pie, peas and rice, and chicken, stewed chicken. Yeah. Okay, so I don't cook. I put it all on for tomorrow, and then, you know, I can wash the dishes now, but all the edges sweat right out. But yeah. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I'm at work. I'm here until 12 because it's a holiday today. I hope you guys enjoyed my very eventful week. You got to see a little bit of my life. I guess the exciting parts of my life. I am not putting any small business stuff in here because I don't know. It was a lot. It happened in the moment, so I really couldn't like film. But I think I'm gonna do a video dedicated to that. So yeah, you have to like, comment, and subscribe to like keep up with me. My hair is cute, my nails cute. And I'm to be forgetting, like I have a tattoo behind there, and I also got a bracelet. I don't know, it was just a good week. Like we love this week. Today after work is my goddaughter's sports. Well, my godchildren, cause all of them in one school, so today is their sports, but I'm not going to vlog at their sports because I feel like that's inappropriate. I don't feel like people want the children on YouTube without content, you know. So I'm not going to vlog at the sports. I'm just going to go show my support and then go home because I still have my period. I still feel a little drained. Sorry if that's too much information, but yeah. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next one.